I've been trying to work out how to hook up a seat switch and the blade engagement switch to make the mower safe still. This is what I worked out. So at the moment, earths are all hooked up. There's a blade engagement switch, there's the kill switch, and here's a seat switch here. So we have an earth here and an earth there. So turn the engine on. Oh, I got off and on around the wrong way. Doesn't matter. So engine still won't start. We've got to have the blade engagement off, and we're unseated, so engine will start. So we sit down, engine still running. We engage the blades. Alright, there, engine still running, and we get out of the seat, and engine dies. Oh yeah. Cheers.